Okay, here's the screencast for Wednesday, the 16th in creative writing. Um, what we looked at today was we started with a prompt called Alphabet Story. And then we were really looking at character. We're starting into portfolio 2 now, so we introduced the journal prompts here, which is where you'll find the alphabet story prompt, as well as Fortino Simano, which we finished class with today. I read a little bit from Bird by Bird regarding the idea of characterization. We read through these two documents here, the manners of characterization, which is talking about direct versus indirect characterization. And then we looked at the notion of mannerisms and how that can help with indirect characterization. At the end of that, we started into our character profiles. You need to look into this document and basically create a character. You'll have time on Friday to work on that, but creating a character that you're going to use in one of your future stories is kind of the idea here. And that was what we were on about. And this is kind of a long document here, but that's kind of what we were on about as we looked at characters and the start of Portfolio 2 on Wednesday. Sorry you missed us.